Hey friends, today we're going to be doing function. I'm going to teach you how to create function and what function is all about. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and drop your comments. And any video, any problem you're facing, drop the error. I'll do video for it so that you can get back on track. Then, so let's go ahead and just see. So to create a function, you declare the function keyword and give your function a name, greetings. So I want to create a function that will be greeting us good morning, all right? But when the time is above morning uh, period, it should tell us good afternoon. So I'm going to set a condition to check a time. I'm going to say date. Basically, what this date function does is provide us date and time, but we're not going to be using date. We just need only the time. So we're going to target the time. Now we're just going to say hour. So you know now that we are targeting the hour, and that's less than 13, which means we are still in the morning when the hour is less than 13. But when it's greater than when it's 13 and above is within the afternoon and evening. So when the time is less than 13, it should echo good morning. Okay. When it's greater than 18, then that's where our S come in. Echo good afternoon. Right. So that is it. And mind you, after creating your function, before they can be executed, they have to be called by their name. So I'm just going to say greetings. Now, if we test this page, we are going to see response. Oh, we already have it. Good morning. So you see it, but if I remove it, I'm not going to get it. So what does this tell you? That function is a piece of code that can be reused over times. All right. And to create a function, you give it the keyword and the function name, parentheses, and a curly brace to write your piece of code. And moreover, function is a piece of program that is written to carry out a particular task. Let's take, for example, in a restaurant where you serve ice cream and pizza, you employ two employees. One should be selling pizza, the second one should be selling ice cream. When somebody comes to buy pizza, let's say the first employee will be the one to sell pizza. If another customer come, you call that same employee to sell pizza. When another customer come, you call that same employee to sell pizza. So you see how it's work. That person is specifically the one who sell pizza. So take that as a function. You write a function to specifically do a certain task. Very simple as that. Now, functions are reusable codes, right, across multiple page. If I need to use this function in another page, I just have to simply go there, require this function page. I'll just say require function.php. That is that. Finish. Then I want to embed it in HTML. I'll just go ahead and create a document and just say p p hello codeless. And I will say I want to say good morning. So I'll just say embed my PHP tag and say fully functioning greetings. Remember, this is how to call a function. Then I will say like so. All right. So if we should run this, go back to our browser and say test. Yeah, we have good morning, code lens. Code lens, hello code lens, good morning. So that's just how to use function. If you want to use function in another this function in another page, all you just need to do is to require this page in all of the other page. And you can create as much as many function you want to create. I can also create another function called calculate. Okay, that will just be like this. I can just see a variable a is equal to phi 2 times 3. All right, then I'll just come down and echo a like so. All right, so if I want it, I come here and I just also say PHP calculate, call the function calculate. All right, just go back and view it. Yeah, I have 8. Okay, I have 8. So on our next video, we'll be talking about function arguments, and also we'll create a form to get our value direct from browsers, not us imputing it in by ourselves. So I will do more on this calculators function also in our next video. So have a nice day. Turn on your notification. Don't forget to subscribe and comment your opinion. Have a nice day. See you later. Okay, I'm